Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling in-app sounds in Telegram. If you find the in-app notification sounds distracting or prefer a quieter messaging experience, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to access the notification settings. Step 4. Scroll down in the Notifications and Sounds menu until you find In-App Notifications. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. In the In-App Notifications settings, you will find an option to disable in-app sounds. Disable this option to turn off the notification sounds within the Telegram app. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the in-app sounds in Telegram. This way, you can enjoy a quieter messaging experience without the distraction of notification sounds. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in disabling the in-app sounds in Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the serene messaging experience in Telegram.